Hello children, welcome to the online session of GK. We are in page number 20 of your GK textbook. Okay, today we are going to discuss about few symbols which makes us feel pride of India. The first one which you see here is our national flag, which is also called tricolor flag. Okay, it consists of three different colors. The first band is saffron, the second band is white, and the third band is green. The first band, saffron, indicates courage and sacrifice which we made for our country. The second one indicates peace. And the third band indicates growth and auspiciousness, that is importance of our Mother India. Okay, and in between you can see Ashok Chakra, which consists of 24 lines. 24 lines indicates our 24 hours in a day. Okay. India's national flag has three colors. Saffron at the top, white in the middle, and green at the bottom. In the center, there is a navy blue wheel with 24 spokes. It is known as Ashok Chakra. The next one which you see here is our national emblem. Okay, this is India's national emblem. It is taken from lion capital of Emperor Ashoka at Sarnath. Children, you know, Ashoka was a great emperor of India. He had done many good things to the country. That is the reason we have taken his capital as a national emblem of our country. It has 4 lions on the top standing back to back. There are figures of an elephant, a horse, a bull, and a lion at the base. You can see different animals like horse, bull, lion and elephant on the base of this emblem. There are separated by wheels in between. You can see a wheels in between those animals. So this is what our national emblem. Children, as you all know, tiger is our national animal. Okay, and mango is our national fruit and peacock is our national bird. The tiger is the national animal of India. Mango is the national fruit of India. The Indian peacock is the national bird of India. The next thing is all about our national flower and tree. The lotus is the national flower of India and banyan tree is the national tree of India. Children, you know what? Our national song is Vande Mataram and our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. Okay, and one more thing, our national game is hockey, right? So children, with this we will come to the end of this lesson, and we have learnt that this is our national flag, which is also called tricolor flag, and this is our national emblem. This is the lion capital of Emperor Ashoka, and the tiger is our national animal, peacock is our national bird, mango is our national fruit, lotus is our national flower, banyan is our national tree, and one more thing, hockey is our national game. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.